What's up, everybody? It is Vinny from Vita Productions. I'm standing outside of SAP Center. It's about 10 after 5 o'clock on October 14th. We have about 35 minutes before the doors open for the Sharks versus Carolina Hurricanes game. Got this ticket when I was just in this building a few hours earlier for a job fair. And part of a registration fee for me was to get tickets. Is to get a ticket for tonight's game, so I thought I'd try to share the experience with you guys. See you guys when we get inside. Alright, we're inside the Shark Tank here. I was wrong, actually. I thought we were going to be in port about an hour and 15 minutes early, but that 15 minutes early was only for season ticket holders. They just let us in an hour before, so we just got in. Just opened it up for everybody in the public, so see you when I get to my seats. Alright, where I'm sitting at right now is in section 106, row 19, seat 11. We're on the corner. And this is what I like here, you know. Good seats. I actually paid about $70 for my job fair registration for get the lower level. I think I would have paid $30 for about, and I would have set up on the upper level, which is not a bad area in the upper level here. You can see we got the Teal City Crew. This is basically almost like the black hole for Sharks games. The Sharks version of the black hole. We're on the opposite end, but you can see over here, there's the shark head that the players go under. I don't know how it is like with every other building, but I know that one of the coolest things I like here at SAP Center is that we actually get to, anybody, no matter where you sit, can come close to the ice for the warm-ups, which you got about another like 15 or so minutes before the warm-ups or so. That's the one thing if you've never been to a hockey game, you should come just to see the warm-ups, especially if your arena is allowing you to get close to the ice, no matter where you're sitting at. Are out on the ice first, as you see Michael Misa making his NHL debut, getting the traditional rookie lap as the villains are coming out now onto the ice for the warm-ups. Don't forget about that, Michael Misa getting his little rookie wrap as we see the rest of the Sharks coming out. You see here Michael Misa, he was the second overall pick in this year's draft. OHL games last year, 134 points in 65 games. He basically had more than 2 points per game. And he won the Red Chelsea Trophy with the OHL MVP. You can see here the players are heading off the ice. We're about a little less than 10 seconds now from the end of warm-ups. We're the only Sharks out there. Smith Celebrini, I know. Who else? There, as that's the end of warm-ups. Number 2, that's Will Smith. I think that's Kucherov, who had the goal, number 96, had the goal against the Golden Knights. Celebrini is the last to be off the ice for the Sharks. Alright, tonight dinner will be tenders love chicken. As I got chicken tenders and some fries and some Sweet Baby Ray's buffalo wing sauce. And some regular Coke. Alright guys, let's see here. Got chicken tender, we're gonna dip it into some buffalo sauce here. Oh, barbecue sauce, right? Buffalo sauce, I should say. Get some fries, comes with it. I approve. Different. Now I was in the wrong section about 5 minutes before Got here. Oh! Oh, close. Yeah, really power play for the Sharks here.
Hurricanes penalty to number 19, Keandre Miller. Shots on goal.
Team that can make it back through the cones here will win. Keep cheering them on, Sharks fans. Come on. Zam, Pony Express. Who will our champions? They have to go through the cones. You have to go through the cones. Oh, there we go. You know, almost. We're counting that one. There we go. We have our champion, Sharks fans. Let's hear it for all of our contestants. Alright, so we're all about tonight, Sharks fans. Let's go to the video for song. Hit it, DJ.
Breakaway attempt. It's 3-1 Carolina.
Whole flavors and commitment to quality.
Second intermission.
Join the New York Style Sausage community now by scanning the QR code. Visit their website and follow them on Instagram at New York Style Sausage 408.
Matt is going again. I feel like Matt might have played this game before. All right, so Matt is in the game right now. He sings this one. Oh, there we go. Our champion, easy, Sharks fans. Let's hear it for Matt and Andrew. And thumbs off tonight.
I kind of wish they were hiring. The guy next to me, like, yeah, you wish they were hiring, right? Because they always yeah.
The 50-50 jackpot is rising. Pick up your raffle tickets on the concourse. The Oscar Summer March for the second intermission concludes.
sort of energy to the locker room.
Yeah, a miracle.
That defense is insane.
They get 4-1. That was just good passing and terrible defense.
Yeah, other than nice to be a fuck, you're right.
Let's see what we got here. Get something going here, guys. Looks like you should keep the puck. It's costing them valuable opportunities. Once again, just get out of commercial break and we give up a goal. Let's make that 5-1. And now we're getting people starting to leave. People next to me left right around the commercial break. Now we're getting more people to leave. Right here, let's see what caused that script. Oh. Yeah. It's gonna be a penalty, but then I think that should be 4-on-4 coming up. Should be at least 4-on-4. Seconds of the game. There. It's going to be a Carolina 5-1 victory. This is probably the worst game I've ever been to in person. Woo! Thanks for our very putrid effort, Sharks. Before I leave, exit the building, here are the banners. You got Patrick Marleau, Joe Thornton, our top two players ever in the history of the Sharks. The first two players to ever have their numbers retired and hung up on the rafters of Sharks history. And we got that President's Trophy banner from 08-09. The Western Conference Championship banner. Hold on, let me get this up. Yep. Western Conference Champions in 2016. That's a different lifetime ago. 6 Pacific Division Championships that we won. We have a memorial banner for George Gunn III, the original owner, and then Doug Wilson, our former general manager, 19 seasons. He did a good job for a while. I mean, I think his peak, of course, was that 2015-2016 Stanley Cup final run that we lost to Pittsburgh, but it seemed like towards the end, he made bad contracts, and that's why this team is where they are now. But still, we have nothing but love for DW. This is probably one of the worst games I've been to as a fan, but I still had a good time. Never have a terrible time at the tank, even despite the results of the game, but Carolina was a better team tonight. We were just flat all night. We didn't blow a third period lead, but guess what? We never had a chance to have a third period lead in this game. First regulation loss of the season for the Sharks. Are now 0-1-2. Hats off, Carolina. You guys deserve to win this game, and any Panthers fan that watches this vlog. As I walk back to my room, Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And comment if you guys want to see more of these game vlogs from me. Till then, I am out. Have a good one, everyone, as the rain is starting to fall down here in San Jose.